Hello everyone, in today's video we will be taking a look at Odd Sandwich by Nojima and Bacon Magic. You show two blue back jokers very cleanly front and back. You then bring out a red colored deck and a card is selected from the red colored deck. The selected card reappears between the two jokers. You can even spread the deck to show that the card is not there. But that's not all. The card then vanishes from between the jokers. You spread the red deck again, and the card has now jumped back, and it is now face up in the deck. So really, you are getting a sandwich effect and a transposition effect all combined into one routine. Here is what you will receive. It comes in the standard Bacon Magic and Nojima packaging. This is a newer version of the Odd Sandwich, which includes the gimmicks for the original Odd Sandwich, which comes in a packet like this. It also includes two additional gimmicks, which makes the selection of the card easier and also enables the vanish and transposition of the card in the second phase. So that's all you receive. You need to supply your own red bicycle rider back deck. You will insert the gimmicks into your own deck. In the link to the tutorial videos, you will get 4 videos in total, all with English subtitles. The first video is about 7 minutes. You get Wangji from Bacon Magic walking you through the additional gaffs, basically letting you know what's the difference between the original Odd Sandwich and the new and improved Odd Sandwich by Bacon Magic. The second video is about 5 minutes long and has Japanese audio, and is Nojima explaining how the effect works. Video number 3 is about 10 minutes. It is Nojima again explaining the original Odd Sandwich without the additional gimmicks. And video 4 is an even older video. It's about 14 minutes long, and is Nojima explaining an even earlier version of the Odd Sandwich using blank cards instead of jokers. Now a few points on practicality. It is not a free choice. The selection is always the same, and you cannot have the selection signed by the spectator. Difficulty-wise is not very hard and is not technically demanding. You would of course need to get your practice in to get it down smooth, but sleight of hand-wise, it is not a very steep learning curve. You can really show the two jokers front and back very cleanly. Setup-wise, it is very simple. You just need to insert the gaffs in your regular red bicycle rider back deck, and you're ready to go. Reset is also almost instant. Now, as far as performing environment goes, this is a seated, formal close-up gig kind of effect. You will need a table or some kind of performing surface because you will be spreading the cards, placing the jokers down, etc. As for how the effect plays out, you can watch the performance by Nojima on the product page, because Nojima shows you what exactly the effect is. The effect plays out exactly as it is performed. What I like about Odd Sandwich is that the displays are super clean. You do show the two jokers at the beginning very cleanly. The card selection is also very clean. You spread the cards very cleanly and very openly to show the card has disappeared. And you spread the cards very cleanly again to show the card has now jumped back and is face up in the deck. It takes what is a fairly standard sandwich plot and gives it an extra second phase, which can catch people off guard. The Odd Sandwich by Nojima and Bacon Magic is available from Bacon Magic and your favorite Murphy's Magic dealer for $19.90 US. So for under $20, you are getting a sandwich and transposition effect in one routine. It is very clean and very visual, and also not technically demanding. And as mentioned, you get the relevant gaffs, but you need to provide your own red bicycle rider back deck. The trade-off is that you need a table or surface to perform, and the card selection is fixed and can't be signed. I would like to thank Bacon Magic for sending a review copy over so that I can tell you about it. So there's a short and straightforward review for Odd Sandwich by Nojima, presented by Bacon Magic. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check it out for yourselves. If you found this video useful, please leave a like below. Here are some other videos for you to watch next. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.